Milton, you're on your way, buddy. May God be with us all. Hold on, what Bob doing over there? Building something to protect his flowers. Now these Floridians are getting extreme. The ones on the inland. Well. The pump in my driveway, it's working. May God be with us. Homemade latte. Not much people on the road today. Most have gone north to Georgia, but north of Florida. I'm in the Central Florida area, so the eye might come to us. May God be with us. Not Starbucks. Homemade latte.